So in this video, I just wanted to take a minute to invite you to my free YouTube AI community, and that's why I just called it Hector's YouTube AI community. And when you join here, the reason why I made this is because I wanted a place where I could start putting up more, detailed courses on the stuff we talk about, whether it's CrewAI or automations, and also a place where I could organize and schedule live calls. Again, this is not going to cost you anything, but there are a couple things where this may or may not be a good fit for you, right? Definitely don't join if you're not going to participate. This is meant to be a community so that you can collaborate and talk to others. And of course, if you want to just stay stuck wondering how AI works, also don't join, right? And if you're not going to take action, there's going to be courses, there's going to be, advised live calls. So if you just plan on joining the school community and not really doing anything with it, then that's not really going to benefit you or any of the other members. But definitely would love for you to join if you want to make cool stuff with AI. If you've been trying to learn it, maybe there's a couple of projects you would like to share with others, we'd love to have you on here. If you're a beginner, even if you have no coding experience, even if you haven't made any AI projects whatsoever, maybe you don't even know where to get started, would definitely love for you to join. And of course, join if you want to meet other cool people. Again, I'm assuming that you're going to be cool too, that you're going to help others out, that you're going to answer questions. We definitely want that energy within this community. And as a bonus, even though there's a free community, I'm not going to type this on here because I'm only going to do this for a little while. I'll probably end up taking this video down, but when you join, here in this link up here, there's this link that says book a Zoom call with me. So this link is going to take you to my calendar, and actually on here you can actually pick out a date and a time where you can book a one-on-one with me. Now this is going to be a bonus for me to help you get started on whatever project that you're working on or whatever thing that you're stuck on. I know there's a ton of different tools for a ton of different projects that you probably have in mind, and this will definitely get you started in the right direction. So click the link below and I'll see you in my community.